In today's video, we are gonna learn to solve linear equations in one variable. So first let us see what is the linear equation in one variable. See, you all know 5x, 3y minus 2. These are the algebraic expressions, right? What are algebraic expressions? When we are using the constant, this 5 is a constant with this variable, x is a variable. So the value of x is unknown. We do not know the value of x. So same way here 3y minus 2, y is a variable and 3 and this 2 is constant. So we are having a two terms here, 3y minus 2. So 3y and 2, they are the two terms. So these are the algebraic expression. If I will write equals to something equals to 2. So this has become now algebraic equation. When we are having a left hand side equals to right hand side, this is a algebraic equation. Same way if I write here 3y minus 2 equals to 8, so we are having a left hand side equals to right hand side. So this is a algebraic equation. Now why it is linear? Because the variable x is having power 1. If it would be 5x square, the power of the the power of the variable is 2. So it will become the quadratic equation, right? When the power of the variable is 1, it is linear. It is linear equation in one variable when we are having only one variable in the equation. If we are having more than one variable, two variable like 5x plus y equals to 2, then x and y are the two variables. So we are learning about the linear equation in one variable. Now to solve these linear equation, we are having a two methods, elimination method or we can say inverse method, and the another method is transposing method. So let us start these two methods. So the first case is when the linear expressions on the one side and the number or the constant on the other side. Here this is a linear expression. This is given on the left hand side and right hand side we are having a number. Right. So we will be solving it with the method of elimination method first. So we have to solve it. That means we have to find the value of y. So first of all, we need only y on our left hand side. So we have to get rid of this 3 and 5. So we will, whatever the operation plus and minus operation will be solved first, then multiply and division. So here first this minus 3 will be removed. How we can remove this minus 3? If we will add plus 3 on both sides, 5y minus 3, if you will add plus 3, then you have to add plus 3 on the other side also, because the equation should be balanced, right? So if you are plus 3, if you are doing it here on the left hand side, you have to do it on the right hand side also. Now this plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. So what is left here on the left hand side? Only 5y will be left on the left hand side. And then here on the right hand side, 22 plus 3 will become 25, right? So now we have to get rid of this 5. 5 is being multiplied. So if you divide by 5, this is 5y, and if I divide by 5, if you divide by 5, then you have to divide by 5 on the right hand side also. So here it will become 25 by 5. Now this 5 will get cancelled with this 5. What we are left with on the left hand side, y equals to, and here if you will reduce 5 5s are 25. So y equals to 5 is the answer. So y, the value of y, this variable is 5. And linear equation always having a unique solution. We will get only one and only one solution we are having. Now the second method is transposing. We have to transpose the term to the other side. Like let me take the same question, 5y minus 3. So 5y minus 3 equals to 22. This method is little shortcut method, actually you should say. So we have to get rid of this minus 3, right? Transposing means we will transpose this term because we want only y on the left hand side. So whatever you are transposing, always first plus and minus term should be transposed, then multiply and divide term should be transposed. So this minus 3 will be transposed to the other side. Now there are few rules while you are transposing. If some term is in the minus on the left hand side, when you are transposing to the other side, it becomes plus. And if it is plus on the left hand side and you are transposing to the right hand side, it becomes minus. It means plus and minus gets exchanged. Okay, so same way, if it is multiply, it will be divide on the other side, and if it is divide, the division term will be transferred to the other side and it will convert into the multiplication. So now here 5y, 3 is transposing to the other side, it is minus 3. So on the other side it will become plus 3. Now 22, this is now 5y equals to 22 plus 3 is 25. Now we have to remove this 5, and this 5 is being multiplied over here. So multiplied will be converted, will be changed into division. So this 5 will be, we will divide it on the other side, this 5. So if you will reduce, you will get the value of 5, which is 5. And you can say either method you can use, both way the value of 5, value of y will be same. Okay, so this is the transposing method and this is called the elimination method. So generally when we solve, we will be using the transposing method. You can use this method also if it is mentioned in the question. If it is nothing is mentioned in the question, whichever you are comfortable, you can use that method. So now let us take another example. 2y by 3 equals to 18. So we will be using the transposing method. Okay. Now here first we have to eliminate this 2 and this 3 also. Then only we will get the value of y. So first this 3 we will eliminate, right? So this 3 is being divided over here on the left hand side. So when you are transposing it to the right hand side, division will become multiplication. So 18 multiply 3, right? So 18 multiply 3, so this is 2y equals to 54. So 18 into 3 is 54. Now we have to get rid of this 2. 2 is being multiplied here. So multiply will be changing into the division. So it will 54. This 2 will be divided there. So 54 by 2. Now you will just reduce it. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So what we will get, y equals to 27 is the answer. So this linear equation will have has the answer y equals to 27. Now again we are solving the equation. This is the case 2, when the equation having the variable on both sides. Now what did you notice here? What are you noticing here? The variable is on both the sides. See, here is also x and here is also x. Right? Now we have to solve this equation. So what we have to do here? We have to transpose the variable on one side and all the constant term to the other side. So what we are going to do? This minus x we are transposing to the other side. So what we are doing? 2x, this minus x will be transposed to the other side. Minus will become plus. And here we are having 26 by 3. And then this 5 by 3. This is plus. So on the other side, if you are transposing it will become minus 5 by 3. Right. Now 2x plus x, you know 2x plus x is 3x. When you are adding, it's like 2 pencils plus 1 pencil. So it is 3 pencils, right? So like 2x plus 1, 2x plus this is x means 1x. So it is 3x. Now we have to solve this. So we'll take the LCM, and this is 26 minus 5 and this is 21 by 3. So 21 by 3 means 3 sevens are 21. So what is left? We are left with 3x equals to 7, and then x will be equals to, now we have to transpose this 3 which is being multiplied. So on the other side it will become division. So what is the answer? We have get the value of this variable as 7 by 3. Now let us take the case 3, where you have to reduce the equation to the simpler form. Now you can see here the variable is y and it has given to on the numerator also and denominator also. Now we have to reduce it into the simpler form and then we will find the value of y. So what we can do here, you can see these are equal, you can cross multiply here, right? So if you will cross multiply, so this is 3 into 7y plus 4 equals to, this is minus 4, and if you will cross multiply this, so it will become y plus 2, right? Now you have to multiply because you have to keep the variables on one side to solve it. So now we have to solve for this brackets we have to remove, and then we have to keep the variables on one side. So now if you are solving it, 3 into 7, 21y plus 3 into 4, 12. Same way we will solve it here, minus 4y, and this is plus minus will become minus 4 to the 8. Now what we will do, we will bring this y this side and we will take this 12 on the other side. We are transposing these terms. So here this is 21y and this minus 4y. So this side it will become plus 4y. Same way here we are having minus 8 and this minus 12 going transposing to the other side. It will be minus 12. Now 21y plus 4y is 25y. And this is 12 and 8 minus minus is being plus and the sign of the greater number. So it is minus 20. So y will be equals to minus 20 divided by 25. 25 is being multiplied over here. So if it is transposed to the other side, it will be in the division. Now you can reduce it. You can write it in the 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So what is the value of y, this unknown variable? The value of y we are getting minus 4 by 5. So that's it only for today's video. And if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching Milestone Maths, your maths buddy for miles.